I didn't know how to make crispy potatoes until I found this recipe. Start by cutting the potatoes. Try to cut them into equal sizes for an even cooking. These potatoes are already well washed. They are already disinfected, and cut them into 4 pieces like this. It is very easy. Look how very easy it is to prepare this specific cut. Prepare some crispy and delicious potatoes completely baked in the oven. It is the absolutely perfect side dish for any meal. And just cut your potatoes in half to make this absolutely perfect recipe. This achieves the ideal texture we are looking for in our recipe. All the potatoes are cut, and now transfer them to the pot. Now add the potatoes into the pot and put in exactly 1 teaspoon of salt. Arrange them well so that they cook in a very uniform way. Also add a few bay leaves to the mixture. This small detail makes absolutely all the difference. The bay leaf gives a wonderful flavor, an incredible aroma to the potatoes. And add water, already using hot water at this point to save some time. This makes cooking easier, so turn on the heat and let the potatoes cook for 15 minutes. Hot water greatly speeds up the entire cooking process. 15 minutes have passed, so now remove and thoroughly drain the potatoes. Drain them well to completely remove all the excess water. For our recipe, use exactly 7 ounces of butter and take it to the microwave to melt it completely. Now add the already melted butter right here into the baking pan. At this moment, place the potatoes and mix everything very well. Look what a beautifully golden and bright color it takes. Mix so that all the potatoes are well coated in butter and acquire an absolutely incredible flavor. We want each potato to be perfectly covered in butter. That buttery touch makes all the difference when preparing these crispy potatoes. The aroma released by the melted butter is incredible. They turn out delicious, and now add a little more salt even though we already put some. Adjust the amount according to your personal preference. Add a little more to enhance the flavor, and also sprinkle some red pepper flakes. This will give a slightly spicy and very tasty touch. This step is completely optional, but gives a special touch, so mix everything together again. Now take them to the oven on the broil setting for 15 minutes, and here they are out. They are already taking on a very appetizing golden color. At this moment, flip them over to leave them in the oven for just a little more time. This is to make them very crispy, so they are flipped and take them back to the oven. Do this carefully so they brown perfectly on both sides. Put them in the oven for 15 more minutes, and here they are ready. Look at them. The smell in the kitchen right now is simply wonderful. They are dry and delicious, with a golden crust and very crispy on the outside. And they remain very soft and tender inside. Look how beautiful our potatoes turned out, and finish by adding some fresh cilantro on top. Look what a perfect crust has formed on the outside. When serving these delicious and crispy potatoes, also add just a little bit of salt. These final touches further enhance all of its flavor. This very last touch of salt is totally optional. And this is how to serve delicious potatoes. Look how extremely appetizing they turn out. It is a true delight that everyone will enjoy at home. Very crispy on the outside and soft inside.